What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing alright. We're on an evening ride. It's a lovely evening at that. Going over to a little bike meet. I say little, it might be quite large. We're still on the Yamaha FZ6 Fazer 600. She's going good. See shit, the sun's way too bright. It's low in the sky. Yeah, it's a charity bike meet, so it's not going to be anything anything crazy. It'd be good to have a wander around, see what local bikes are about. Might be meeting a mate there as well, which would be nice. Oh yeah, look, it's fucking well full. My first time going on a bike, which is quite nice. Devon Freewheelers Blood Bikes. Oh, Order Seagull. Alright, cheers mate. Right, Joe. Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Ooh, weird Can-Am. That's fun. Bit different. There's a long way along. Oh, that's cool. Nice colour on that. Kawasaki Z1000. So many bikes. Multi-Strada, nice. S1000 is probably the nicest so far. What else we got? Oh, Aprilia RSV 1000. Very nice. Got a, looks like a Ducati 1299 Panigale Final Edition. That is nice. Good colourway as well. Full Italian colourway. Very exotic. Oh, that's nice. That's posh. 4 Ducati Diavol. There's some posh bikes. 890 Super Duke. Very nice. Oh, I do like a Multi-Strada. I think they're something else. Good shape, but then the Gixxer, K5 Gixxer like that is just the one, isn't it? Beauty. Another Indian. Couple Sprints. Oh, that's nice too. Wow. That intake. Amazing. Damn. 9T with a full fairing. Don't really see that very much. Ooh, Aprilia Touareg, the new one. Ooh. That's fun. Marlboro Aprilia. That's sick. Ooh, another S1000, favourite colourway as well. That's pretty. Sounds like a Harley. Ooh, CBR 650. Nice. What else we got? Nice seat on that GS. Aftermarket though. Another DR one.
Yeah, it's here.
Another 890 Duke, very posh. Oh, yeah, nice. Ooh, 200 1100 maybe? Nice. R1 Classic. I reckon that's cool. I reckon the blue and white S1000 is probably my favourite so far. Maybe, although I do like Africa Twin, just not that colourway. I reckon the blue and white colourway is better. I do like an Africa Twin though. That's cool. Sounds like a two-stroke. In the distance, starting up. Oh yeah, Gen 2 and a Gen 1, Gen 2. Oh, nice. I do like an S1000. It's definitely a two-stroke. Wow. RD250 Yam. That's sick. People get all the special bikes out. Quieting down a bit now. The sun's gone down. Still some cool bikes here, but not too many. Like a walk around though. Such a puss. Huh? See you in the morning, mate. Yeah, see you in the morning, mate. Sorry, mate. Saw some crazy stuff. S1000s, Panigale V4s, other Ducati Panigales that I don't really know, because I don't really know Ducati that well, like model wise. But yeah, it's good. Saw some really nice stuff. beautiful evening. We got the moon, we got the sun, golden grass. I guess that's why they call it golden hour. It's also fucking blinding. My eyes! What a day. I hope you've all had a good day. But yeah, thank you for tuning into the channel. I appreciate one and all. Appreciate you all. Hope you've enjoyed this slightly different video. And I will catch you in the next episode. Is the ferry still in? Oh, I missed it. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you all. And I will catch you in the next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.